备 Shopping 杂志及机上娱乐系统。此外，本班机全面禁烟，包含禁用电子烟。请遵守安全指示并留意电子用品的使用状况。如发现异常，请立即暂停使用，并通知空服员。基于安全考量，请不要使用行动电源。航程中若有需要空服员为您服务的地方，也请随时通知我们。Hello everyone. During today's flight, we will provide you with beverage and meal service. Wi-Fi and duty-free sales are also available. For details, please refer to Bear Shopping magazines and in-flight entertainment systems. In addition, this is a non-smoking flight, and the use of electronic cigarettes is prohibited. Please follow safety instructions at all times and remain alert while using electronic devices. If any abnormal situation arises, stop using them immediately